Forever, solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Go.
Nyakweba
must go.
Nyakweba
Must go.
Nashukuru sana. Mariita
must go.
Mariita
must go.
Specific analysis of KTRH County government. We have called here to give a presser on issues which is affecting the Minister of Health and specifically the analysis of KTRH County government. I want to ask His Excellency H.E Simba to relieve the Minister for Health and the CEO KTRH due to abuse office. We wrote a letter on 14th April 2025. Today we had a meeting with all nurses of KTRH County government, and they have agreed unanimously that in order Minister of Health to thrive, Minister for Health and the CEO KTRH must go. On these various reasons, number one, abuse of office. That in every other time that you go to KTRH, if the CEO is not in the office, definitely you will not get services from the CEO's office. And the CEO's office is the face of the facility, which is regarded highly in East and Central Africa. So if the CEO is not in office, you will not get services. Number two is doing arbitrary transfers, not involving head of departments within the ministry and within the facility. Secondly, the Minister of Health want to say that he has a lot of conflict of interest in procurement process. Our ambulatory services are not working efficiently because of procurement processes that is in part and parcel of it. Want to ask the Minister for Health that we wish you well, just move from the ministry, or else we consider going forward until we remove you from office, because you may decide on what to do, whether you want to work as service need, you want to work as an accountant, you want to work as a procurement officer, or you want to work as a minister under policy level. So on those few remarks, I want to say that Your Excellency, that we had agreed when you came to office that KTRH must thrive under your leadership. And among the people who are supporter of your development agenda in the Ministry of Health is the Minister of Health. Kindly look time and relieve that minister from our department so that the Minister of Health can thrive. Kindly allow me to give my branch secretary a chance also to speak 2-3 issues over the same. Thank you.
Kenge, the branch secretary, Kenya National Union of Nurses. We are here today to make a declaration that Nyakweba, the CEC health, is unfit to take healthy issues forward. We wrote a letter demanding him to be out of that office. Up to date, he has not. So we want to say that he has to move out because of the reasons we are going to write. He has made the department to perform poorly because he makes decisions alone without involving the relevant officers. He has conflict of interest, especially on issues of procurement, whereby he has gone as far as becoming the accountant of the department. Like, you get an example of making a budget whereby the non-farms, they are given a low deal, but other issues like electricity, you find they have given a higher budget because they know that's where they are getting some finance. Issues of fuel, we have a station where our vehicles are getting the fuel. But now, instead of fueling these vehicles, they fuel other vehicles which are not related to the department. Also, he has abused the office of the nurses in KTRH County, whereby he wants to make a decision alone, transferring the nurse unnecessarily, abusing them at work, going to the workstation minus involving the relevant officers. That is breach of conduct. And we want to tell the governor that this person has made the department to fail. Like KTRH, especially the department of ICU, we have only one ventilator taking care of patients. Out of 7 ventilators working, it's only one which is working. and here is lying to you that the ICU is working. The renal unit is also not working, but they are lying to you. Most of the facilities, they have challenges. Finance, they are not getting to take care of the other staffs. Nyakweba is the one who is working with the checks of health facilities. So we are requesting the governor with a lot of humility. If you want the health department to deliver, you have to remove Nyakweba and the CEO KTRH. They are incompetent to the department. So in this, we have given a 7-day strike notice, so that if they are not getting out of the office, at the expiry of that date, the officers who are the nurses will come to occupy that office and they remove him from there. And I think you will be ashamed with that. Is it that? Yes. So Nyakweba has to move and the CEO KTRH.
Nyakweba must go.
So that's what the nurses have said, and they must go.
So we
want to say that he has to move so that for us to have effective delivery. Issues of finance, we have accused him. Issues of unilateral decision, we have accused him. Breach of conduct, we have accused him. And so many things that he has done which are unprofessional to the department. So we have to say that Nyakweba has to leave the department for us to have peace. Thank you.
As a nurses kisi county ngime tora banto mwata nelibu mwachira se meeting ega igo to wetera mangana makongo muna banyagitali ba level 6 na chinyagitali chinde chire kisi county ga. For example, umuntu mukoroka dead Dr. Mariita CEO ya KTRH amatuka etire ange meeting ebero obutira abantu bakora no camp abari nurses because bawuch kobori na twakorere emetienyi sitatwanya kogera mushahara yako gokuno kobori inkogochi muno kobori inkogochi igo. This is it's unwanted behavior in our community, and Mariita is my friend je mosigete lakini tabia ene renta sigeti rembe erno muntu mya bone tabia ya ene ragere ti musika lakini ndo muntu nka ngakingo koralini. Thank you so much. Let me come back to